Hey, Steve Bavoda here with a quick preview of the upcoming release of Magazine Premium 2.0. There's been a lot of changes, and the theme has actually been rebuilt from the ground up. So let's take a quick look at stuff on the front end. We just have a new default background, sticky post area right here, and a new look for the extended footer. But most of the changes come on the back end. So let's go to the new theme options customizer. This was released in WordPress 3.5, and so now most of the Magazine Premium options have been added. So let's take a look here. We get a live preview of the changes we make before you actually save it, which is a great tool to use. So you can set things up before you actually put them live. So it's layout options. Magazine Premium 2.0 uses the Gridiculous boilerplate so that the site itself is built using 12 columns as a grid, and each area is controlled, I guess, by this percentage selector here. And we can set sidebars, but we have to bring this down so that they actually fit. And that actually means that the whole site is responsive. So if you actually shrink the screen down, whoop, you can see it working. It's magic. So let's go back to the default like this and put this back to 66. And you can see some of the other options down here. Basic front page layout is the same as Magazine Basic. You can see these things here. You can switch it to single all the way down. But the power, of course, comes with the advanced front page options, which here, there's not very many of them. So let's actually just get out of here and go to the advanced front page admin page. So here, we could add some sections. So we're going to make this one 58%, one column, 4 posts with a border on the right. And this one, our right column, we're going to make it 42% with 3 posts and an offset of 4 so it doesn't repeat the posts from the other column. Let's save that, and now you can see how you can control the front page using that advanced page admin page to set up as many sections as you want. And you can even add to the lower section, which is, we're going to actually just display 5, but we're going to offset it now by 7 so it doesn't repeat what was above. Save those changes. Let's take a look here, and if we scroll down, you can see now we have the lower section, which actually has a new sidebar here and more posts going. You can control the size of that one using this and actually align the sidebar however you like so that that section now shows off like that. You also have the ability to control the slider. You can select it here, save the changes, go to the front page, and you can see it. But you can also manually add slides if you wish. So let's do a search here, add to slider. So it's not actually an image that's blank, but we could just very easily add our own image. So let's use this one. Save the changes, and if we go to the front page, now our slider will only have one slide, but you get the idea. And if you just delete that, it goes back to using the latest posts. We also have a new import export tool. So if you actually are locally creating your site and then you want to put it live onto the web somewhere, you can just export all the options and then upload them on the live site, and you don't have to reconfigure anything. So there's just a quick look at some of the things that are coming in 2.0. Thanks.